Are you planning a trip to Orlando with kids? Want to save money, but don't want to compromise on a great hotel? Then stay tuned to this video because today I'm going to show you the Magic Moment Resort and Kids Club. Is it worth it? I'll tell you everything now. Before we begin, take the opportunity to like this video and subscribe to the channel. 2026 will bring lots of new things here, and you won't want to miss them. First, the location. It's located in Kissimmee at 5200 West Earlo Bronson. To make it easier, you'll be about 10 or 15 minutes from the Disney parks. It's a strategic location because everything is nearby: supermarket, restaurant, and outlets. And even better, you don't waste time in traffic and you're right next to Magic. Now, what makes this hotel different? The name says it all: Kids Club. The focus here is on the kids. The hotel has a very colorful indoor and outdoor recreation area, an arcade, and a heated pool that's perfect for relaxing after a day at the parks. There's even an interactive magic wall that kids love. If you have young children, this is a lifesaver. And the rooms? They were recently renovated and have a very modern and colorful style. You'll find standard rooms for 4 people and family suites for up to 6 people. The cool thing is that they also have themed children's rooms. Overall, the room is very complete. It has a mini fridge, coffee maker, large TV, and free Wi-Fi. It's just the right amount of comfort. A super positive point: continental breakfast is included in the daily rate. Don't expect a 5-star hotel banquet, but it has the basics we need: bread, cereal, fruit juice, and coffee. It really helps to save money on the first meal of the day. And if you get hungry at night and don't want to go out, there's a restaurant inside called Tutto Exquisito. Okay, but how much does this cost? The price varies depending on the season, but the average is between $70 and $160. The big advantage here is the value for money. You pay much less than at a Disney hotel, but you still have a themed and fun environment for your children. If you are a family with children and want a clean, fun place at a fair price, the Magic Moment Resort is a great choice. I've left a link in the video description so you can check availability and make your reservation. So, would you stay here? Did you already know about this hotel? Comment below and save this video so you don't miss a tip when planning your trip. Bye!